Guys, today we're doing a review of this jumbo crispy wings. These are on sale in M&M wheat, so we're going to do a quick review. Let's take a look. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video, and let's do a quick ingredient check. So this is what it has. These are jumbo, so it's got a little bit of wheat, so be aware of that. Onion powder, garlic powder, so let's open this up. Like I said, these are on sale, so we're going to do a quick taste test. Now, these are the jumbo ones, so let's see if they're actually bigger. Okay, so I have another bag of wings that I did a quick review of. So, okay, see the size, if they're actually bigger. So, here's one wing there. I guess they're slightly bigger, but it could be the wheat flour that's coated on it. You guys be the judge. They look almost the same, but like I said, slightly bigger. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna cook them up and do a quick taste test. Be back. All right, guys. So here it is, all cooked up. These are the jumbo wings. We're gonna do a quick taste test and see what they look just like. Like as I mentioned, I didn't think they were that much bigger than the regular rings, but and it could just be the breading. So here we go. As you can see, there's quite a bit of breading on it. So let's do a quick taste test. Taste-wise, they're actually pretty good. Lots of seasoning. It's got that nice seasoning of like salt and pepper sort of thing, and it's very moist. And there is that breading, so it does make it crunchy. So definitely check out, guys. Have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.